That's me. But first, let's find out how I even got here. Good morning, Jax. It's your boy coming to you live from the air in one of your favorite parts of the city. But before I forget, let me remind you to not forget to like, follow, and tell me what part of the city you want to see next. And today, I'm coming to you with 3 locations that are all within walking distance. First on the list, we got Riverside Park Duck Pond. Not only do we get to reap the benefits of this pond attracting all of these birds, but we also get a ton of picnic area and playgrounds. Now, if you see a couple homeless people, don't be afraid. They ain't worried about you or thinking about you. Next, we have Artist Walk Skatepark. Now, I believe this to be Jacksonville's top skate park. Comment below if you want to see what South Beach Skate Park at Jacksonville looks like. Now, one thing about this park I like is just as South Beach, it's completely rideable. Ain't no spot, no area that you cannot ride on. Now, this isn't a sponsored video or anything, but next on the list, Hoptinger's rooftop. Tag them down below. Maybe they'll let me fly through the entrance and back out the rooftop for a virtual tour style video that I know you all would like.